what leaves visitors frustrated, confused, and likely to abandon your website? The dreaded 404 page not found error. But have no fear. A customized 404 page is here to save your user experience and brand perception. Today, in this video, we'll chat about why a custom 404 page is so important and how to really easily create one right with Elementor and WordPress. Let's start with why a custom 404 page really does kind of make all of the difference. When a visitor hits a broken link or makes a typo, a generic 404 message feels really jarring and cold. It kind of leaves them thinking, did I break something? What happens now? And without quick guidance back to the working pages, you really risk losing that visitor altogether. It's definitely not ideal. But a custom 404 page reassures visitors and retains them through helpful navigation links and a bit of lightheartedness if it works with your brand. It keeps them thinking, okay, I'm still in the right place, instead of just Xing out and abandoning your site. A 404 page also represents your brand through visual elements and the tone of voice, and maintaining that consistent identity makes a positive impression. Even when they take a wrong turn URL-wise, you give visitors a friendly redirect.
I'm going to walk you through how to create a 404 page custom with Elementor in WordPress. Once you log into the back end of your website, what you're going to do is you're going to go look on the left-hand side in the dashboard there. And you're going to hover over to Templates and then Theme Builder. Once you click that, you will see that there are all these different options for your global templates. And on the left-hand side, you'll see these options too. You can hit error 404. When you hit 404 error, you will see the pages that you have here. If you don't already have a custom one, then you'll want to add a new one. So you're going to hit Add New. And once you do that, your website is going to give you some kind of blocks that you can insert, or you can just create your own. So I'm going to actually just X out of here and I'm to a blank page that has my header and my footer. And here's where I'm going to create my custom 404 page. So you can build this page just like you build any other pages using the blocks on the left. What I'll probably do is pull a 2-column structure and I will add an image. So I usually typically do an image on the left, and you can choose an image from your image library. So I'm just going to pull this one of me right here. And then on the right is where you can put your text and a button. So I would always start with a header. Let's see, head, put it right here. And you can write whatever heading that you want. And then what you would do is you would type your body. So pull a text field in, text editor, and pull it right here and type your body. And then you can pull in a button. And this button is going to take them back to home. Keep your navigation simple. Oops, put it right over here. What you want to do is just be simple, keep it in your brand voice. So if you want to add something, oops, you've gone to the wrong place, I could take you back home and then click here, or click here to head home and head them back to the home page. I've also seen some people use memes or GIFs here, something fun if that fits into your brand. But what I like to say is make it personal to your brand and add a little personality and then send them back home. Once you're done, you're going to hit publish. And it's going to ask you where you want to display it. And you will say include 404 page. That's where you want to include it. It's saying that I already have one because I already do. But you wouldn't have one, so you would overwrite it, hit save and close. And then your website will have a custom 404 page built with Elementor, so that when your visitors get to the wrong place, they kind of know, oh, okay, I understand. I'm still on the website, and you can lead them as they continue on their journey.
Just a few more pro tips as you are creating that custom 404 page. Limit your navigation links to avoid overwhelming your visitors. And definitely be sure to check for mobile responsiveness with that preview button. Take a little bit of time to optimize that user experience. Your future site visitors will definitely thank you. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions on enhancing that 404 page or have seen some really cool ones out there. I love seeing what's out in the wild. Drop the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tricks.